The moons have aligned. The prophecy is true. The fire will take the land.
The elders warned of this day.
We must reach the high caves before the lava cuts us off.
Yeah! Woohoo!
The pulsing is intensifying. We must maintain pressure.
Hold steady, we are almost there. Hurry, get inside.
Don't worry. He is stable now and should make a full recovery.
Thank you, Doctor, for your aid. And to you both, my deepest gratitude for your vigilance.
We have truly captured a god.
The world will never be the same.
face of the stars.
The binding holds. The flame burns bright. Grant us mercy, ancient light.
Why not end him?
You cannot kill what the earth itself gave birth to. You can only bind it.
You think you have bound me? You think you have bound me?
You destroyed our cities. You drowned our lands in your wars. Now you will sleep forever beneath the descendants?
Descendants? So you are the children of those who once served us.
Do not move again, or the chains will crush your heart.
Words burn, but they will not break my will. I am bound, but not broken.
Do not move again, or the chains will crush your heart.